Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have one eye done already, so it can make the video much more faster and easier. So we're going to work on this eye. So we're going to be using Juvia's Place Applique. I can never say this palette's name, but it's a beautiful palette. But first we're going to use Adri Wine for our concealer, or I should say our primer. You would also want to blend it with a brush and you want to gently tap this eyeshadow in. If you haven't worked with many colors and it's like your first time trying out makeup, I suggest you guys use tapping motion so that it's a lot easier for you. And you also want to make sure you don't grab too much eyeshadow, otherwise you'll have too much on your brush. It's always good to work with a little bit. Now we're using Colored Rain Who Me eyeshadow, which is such a lovely color. Usually with pigments like this, I like to wet with just water, like a spray of water, so that the pigment can come out much more, but you don't need to do this with this eyeshadow. So yes. Now I like to do this method right here because it helps shade the color so it doesn't look too solid of a color onto your watercolor, on your waterline. And then of course we're using a highlight to brighten out the tear ducts. Just a really nice touch. Also want to bring it up to your brow bone. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Eyeliner. I love using this on my waterline. It never comes off. I usually love using that shade a lot. Then we got our lovely eyelashes, which I did get these at one of my local stores. Pop on some eyelashes. And put some Vaseline onto our lips to moisturize them, because we're about to put some ColourPop Ultra lip. This is the shade Cypress Chill, which is cute. I like that. I like to blot my lips, and usually I like to just use my finger to push in some of the last leftover lipstick and add a little bit more. This is what's going to help you add that how do you say it, that tint like you would use for lip liner in case you don't have lip liner. I love using that. And my favorite palette from Tarte Cosmetics is the Tarte Pro. These highlighters are beautiful and they're so warming and beautiful for the summer. So yes, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I wanted to give you guys a simple look. So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment below if you guys want to see some more easy, fast makeup tutorials. Bye!